Hello guys, I got a question where to buy these new cryptocurrencies, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. Now I have talked about cryptocurrencies before and in this video I will try just to show you the website that I used before, but understand that I don't do cryptocurrencies or I buy them because of the risk. So it's like stocks, like anything, but since they move too fast, okay, so understand that there are two things you can do. One, you can trade them. You can trade them as stocks. This is trading. You can, for example, buy long and sell short. If they are going down, you can sell short, you can make money. Or they go up. It's like trading stocks. Okay? There is another thing that the people know is to invest. It means to buy and now to wait for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. These cryptocurrencies go up and you can make money. Okay? So I will show you the website. So the website that it is here in America, it's called coinbase.com. Okay, it's in USA, and it is, I think it's one of the most respectable websites for cryptocurrencies. As you can see, buy and sell cryptocurrency. Okay, now if you want to see all the prices, you should click on these prices. Now look here. Bitcoin has gone 7%. 7.27. It is now near 8,000. Okay? Ethereum 253, 4 point something. XRP 2.41. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin is $92. Stellar Lumens 14 cents. It goes 2.90. Ethereum Classic, okay, $7.68. So you can see Ox 34 cents. It goes 5. Okay. All these 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, all these are in this website. You can buy them. Now, if you want to see one, what do? For example, Bitcoin, you click on that and you will see 24 hours, it goes $500. So you see that? $500. In 1 week, it has gone 1,000. In 1 month, it has gone $2,682. In 1 year, it is losing 1,000. You know, because 1 year the stock was going down, and then it goes up. So it depends where you bought it. Okay? It depends where you bought it. It reached here 8,200. So now it is reaching that. Okay? Here it is 7,900. As you can see, 7,900. Now, if you like small, like for example this one, Stellar Lumens XLM, it's 14 cents. Okay? Here it shows 0.00 and it is 2.49. It's just because there are some numbers here that are hidden. That's why you see this 2.49. Okay? In 1 week, it has gone 4 cents. In 1 month, it has gone 2 cents. Now this depending on the people, how much, depending on the market capitalization. So for example, Bitcoin is the most appreciated one because it has $140 billion. Okay, and Ethereum 26 billion, XRP 16 billion. Now you see, listen, XRP now is in the 3rd place. Litecoin was before the 3rd place. Okay, so you see that Litecoin, it goes to $92. You can see other that are not expensive, like basic attention token, or we can see, for example, this Augur, $22.28. It goes 2.62. In 1 week, it goes $1.93. In 1 month, 88 cents. Okay, so it depends on what is the thing that you are looking for, and understand that most of them are going excellent. Ethereum Classic, in 1 week, 1.82. In 1 month, in 1 year, $10 in 1 year, because it was $15 or $16, it go down. So understand that last year it was too bad, okay, as everything was. So if you are interested to buy anything, so you just check, and you can see capitalization here. Now there are some that are very, very small. When you see the million here, 847 million, it means all the money is 847 million. Okay, but see, $140 billion here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. So these are big. Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, XRP. Those are big things. Stellar Lumens, all are big. For example, this Stellar Lumens is 2 billion, and it is too small, 14 cents. But the capitalization is 2.6 billion, so it's a lot of money. Although it is small. Okay, so understand that. So this is all we have. We have 12, and those here that you can see here, they are not available in Coinbase. They are not available. This, what you see here, they are not available. You can search other stocks, other websites to search for them. Okay, so this is all, guys, and try. If you have questions, please go to this Coinbase, and you find the contact thing and ask them questions. And because for me, I am not an expert in Coinbase, in these cryptocurrencies. For me, I see them as a way to make money. You buy cheap, it goes up, you make money. That's it, like any other thing. But they are very dangerous. So if you want just to try to put some money, and you see after 1 month or 2 if you can make money, it's okay. It's an investment, but do not put too much money, and maybe you lose a lot of money. Okay, so it depends what is your risk appetite, but it is like everything in the market. Everything in the market is at risk. There is no safe thing. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.